Welcome to this class. In our previous video, we have discussed electric dipole and electric field around the electric dipole at a point on the axial line as well as at a point on the equatorial plane. There you have seen that the electric field at a point on the axial line has the 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught 2p by r cube, and the electric field at a point on the equatorial plane as the 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught p by r cube. Now in this video we are going to discuss dipole in a uniform electric field. What happens when you are placing an electric dipole in the external electric field? Already there is some electric field around the dipole. Dipole చుట్టూ electric field ఉంటుంది. సో ఒక electric field ఉన్నటువంటి dipole external electric field లో ఉన్నప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది? What happens? Will be discussed now. Let us take for that I'm taking the electric field. Electric field is the direction of electric field. It is the direction of electric field. Which side is positive charge and this side is negative charge? Can you guess? Direction of electric field line. Field lines. By seeing the field lines, we can say that field lines are this side positive and this side is the negative. Sorry, okay. This side positive and this side negative. Field lines are coming out of the positive charge and going into the negative charge. Right? So this is the direction of the electric field. In this, what I am doing, I am taking a dipole. I am taking a dipole here. Which dipole it is? It is a permanent dipole. I am taking a permanent dipole. What is meant by a permanent dipole? What is meant by permanent dipole? The permanent dipole is that whose dipole moment will not be influenced by the external electric field, or whose dipole moment is independent of electric field E. అంటే దీని యొక్క డైపోల్ మూమెంట్ అనేది ఎలక్ట్రిక్ ఫీల్డ్ మీద డిపెండ్ అయి ఉండదు. సచ్ డైపోల్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ యాజ్ పర్మనెంట్ డైపోల్. Such dipole is called as the permanent dipole. Okay, so I am taking a permanent dipole here. Right, I am taking a permanent dipole here. So these are the two charges of this dipole. One is the negative charge minus q, another one is the positive charge plus q. Right, negative charge minus q and positive charge plus q. Now you can predict what happens. What happens? Can you predict now? Positive charge is pulled towards the electric field direction, in the direction of electric field. Positive charge is pulled in that direction, and negative charge is being pulled in this direction. Two forces are acting on the dipole. On positive charge towards the left, that is in the direction of electric field. On negative charge, it is the opposite the direction of electric field. Negative charge is attracted by the positive. Positive is attracted by the negative. Okay, by seeing the direction of electric field, we can predict which side is positive, which side is negative. So what happened now? Two forces are acting in opposite direction. When two forces are acting in opposite direction and the line of action is not same. Line of action is not same in the sense, for example, this is an object. Here I applied a force of 3 newtons, and from here I applied a force of 3 newtons. 3 newtons of force in this direction, 3 newtons of force in this direction. Then which direction this object will move? This object cannot move. Why the object cannot move? Because the net force acting on it is 0. Net force acting on it is 0, and the force, the line acting. Okay, these two forces act along the same line. That's why it is in a equilibrium condition. It is in the equilibrium condition. దీని ఈక్విలిబ్రియం కండిషన్ లో ఉంది అంట. కానీ ఒకవేళ మీరు ఈ డైపోల్ ని చూసినట్లయితే, if you are seeing this dipole, what happens here? Is it in equilibrium condition? No, cannot be in equilibrium condition. Why it cannot be in equilibrium condition? Because these two forces are not along the same line. Okay, the line of action is different for these two forces. Okay, now. So what is the force acting here? Force on plus Q. Force on plus Q will be written as electric field into Q. E into Q. Or Q into E. And force on negative charge. It is also same E into Q. F is equals to E into Q. Already in our previous video we have seen F is equals to E into Q. Right? E into Q, E into Q are the forces acting on this positive charge and negative charge. Right. Now what happened? Now because of this, what happens now? Predict what happens? It starts to rotate. It starts to rotate. How it starts to rotate? It starts to rotate along its center. Okay, now along its center it starts to rotate. This is the center of the dipole, and also you know that already we have discussed this is A and this is the A. The distance of this positive charge and negative charge from the center of the dipole is taken as A, and this side is A. Total length of the dipole is 2A. Okay, now what happens? Now this starts to rotate. This rotating is called what? This effect is called torque. When does a torque generate? When two equal forces acts in opposite direction and the line of action is not same. The line of action is not same. Then what happened? A turning effect is created. Here I am writing. A turning effect is created. What we call this turning effect? This turning effect is called as the torque. T-O-R-Q-U-E. This turning effect is called what? Torque. When it is placed, means when a dipole is placed in external electric field, a turning effect is created. That turning effect is called as torque. Okay, this torque is denoted by tau. Torque is denoted by tau. The symbol is called as tau. Torque formula. Force into perpendicular distance. Force into perpendicular distance. What is the torque formula? Torque is force into perpendicular distance. Okay, we know that force is EQ is the force. What is perpendicular distance now? Perpendicular distance, from where it should be taken as perpendicular distance? Yes, this is the axis of rotation. From here perpendicular distance I want. Is this perpendicular distance? A, is this perpendicular distance? No, it is not a perpendicular distance. If you suppose this is the perpendicular distance from positive charge, right? This is the perpendicular distance. Means what I want this distance. This distance I want. This distance from here to here. This distance is perpendicular distance. So how to know that perpendicular distance? Let us suppose this dipole is making an angle theta with the electric field. Dipole is making an angle theta with the electric field. Electric field is like this, and this is the dipole. Dipole is making an angle theta. If here is the angle theta, then here also the angle is theta. Right? Here the side is hypotenuse is A, and this is theta. Then what is the value of this opposite side? Opposite side value is A sin theta. What is the adjacent side value? A cos theta. We don't want this one. We want this perpendicular distance. Right? This perpendicular distance is A sin theta. So what we can write here? Tau can be written as force into perpendicular distance. EQ into A sin theta. Okay. Force into perpendicular distance we can write. But here one thing. Here two arms are there. one is from here to here and another one is from here to positive charge and negative charge, right? Two are there. That's why what I'll write here, torque I'm writing as torque due to positive charge and torque due to negative charge. Force into perpendicular distance. Force is what? EQ A sin theta, right? Plus another charge also the same thing, EQ A sin theta, right? EQ A sin theta, 2 EQ A sin theta, 2 EQ A sin theta. For my understanding, I will write this one like this. Tau is equal. I am rubbing here. Friends, I am rubbing here. So here I am writing tau as 2A. I am writing it 1.2A and this E at another point, sorry, 2A to another point and E sin theta. So I am breaking it into three parts, 2A, Q, E sin theta. What is 2A and Q? 2A and Q is what? Dipole moment. Very good. Dipole moment. P E sin theta. Tau is equals to P E sin theta. Right? Tau is equals to P E sin theta. Tau is equals to P E sin theta. Something, a vector, any vector. If it is A B sin theta, then we can write as the cross product of A and B, cross product of A and B. In first year you learned in vectors. Similarly, here I can write P E sin theta as either P cross E or E cross P. Or either correct, P cross E correct, E cross P correct. It is a vector. Vector direction is the most important one. P cross E rayachu, P cross E also P sin theta, E cross P also P sin theta. But which is the correct this one? Which is correct? Which is correct means P E sin theta, E the vector, no? So its direction must be equal to the direction of this torque. The torque also a vector. Torque also a vector here. So torque direction man teliste, PE direction man teliste, we are able to decide whether this one or this one. So now see, this is the axis of rotation. So this dipole is rotating in this direction, right? In this direction, this minus q to that side and plus q to this. This is what clockwise direction, right? This is the clockwise direction. Clockwise direction. Now tau, torque is clockwise direction. So according to the screw principle, torque is clockwise direction. P is in this direction. P, dipole moment, negative to positive. Dipole moment, negative to positive. This is the P direction. Electric field direction, this one, E. This is the P direction, this is the E direction. So now I have to rotate P and E. Clockwise, torque clockwise lo undi kabatti P nunchi E ki. You have to drive a screw like this. You have to drive a screw. Torque ఏ direction undi? Clockwise lo undi. సో మనం స్క్రూని ఏ డైరెక్షన్ లో తిప్పాలి? క్లాక్ వైజ్ లో తిప్పాలి. స్క్రూని క్లాక్ వైజ్ లో తిప్పినప్పుడు హ్యాండ్ మూవ్మెంట్ ఇస్ ఫ్రమ్ వేర్ టు వేర్? ఫ్రమ్ P టు E. P నుంచి E కు ఉంది. సో వి హావ్ రైట్ P క్రాస్ E. ఎందుకంటే P క్రాస్ E ఇస్ క్లాక్ వైజ్. దెన్ ఇఫ్ ఇట్ ఇస్ E క్రాస్ P యాంటీ క్లాక్ వైజ్. E క్రాస్ P యాంటీ క్లాక్ వైజ్, టార్క్ క్లాక్ వైజ్, నాట్ మ్యాచింగ్, మిస్ మ్యాచ్. So torque clockwise undi, so we can write here tau, or we can write tau as P cross E. But E cross P the direction of torque will be changed. It is not wrong, it is correct. E cross P also correct, but the direction of torque is different. But here from our example, direction of torque is matching with the P cross E. So we are writing tau is equals to P cross E. So what happens when you are placing an electric dipole in the electric field? When you are placing an electric dipole in the electric field, then a torque is generated, a turning effect is generated. Okay, so turning effect is generated. తిరుగుతుంది. How long it travels like that? How long it travels? Does it rotate like this continuously, like seconds hand or minutes hand in the clock? No, it doesn't rotate like that. So up to what time it rotates? So till this torque is generated, till dipole aligns itself in the direction of the electric field. ఈ డైపోల్ అనేది ఎలక్ట్రిక్ ఫీల్డ్ డైరెక్షన్ లో వచ్చేంత వరకు దిస్ టర్నింగ్ ఎఫెక్ట్ విల్ బి కంటిన్యూడ్. దిస్ డైపోల్ ఇస్ అలైన్డ్ ఇట్సెల్ఫ్ ఇన్ ద డైరెక్షన్ ఆఫ్ ఎలక్ట్రిక్ ఫీల్డ్. ఓకే, it aligns itself in the direction of electric field. Till that time what happened, this turning effect will be continued. So ఆలోచించండి, ఇట్లా రొటేట్ అవుతూ finally what happens here? Finally positive charge, this is the final position, positive charge here, negative charge here, completed. Will be there any torque now? Will be there any torque? No torque. So torque is 0. అంటే ఏం చెప్పుకోవచ్చు మనం ఇక్కడ? Here we can conclude that torque is 0 in some cases. Torque is 0 in some cases. Torque tau is equals to 0. Tau is equals to 0 ఎప్పుడు అవుతుంది? ఇక్కడ చూడండి ఒకసారి. It is depend on the angle theta. So tau is 0 when theta is equals to 0 or 180 degrees. Sin 0 0, sin 180 degrees. What are these two cases? We will see once. This is the direction of the electric field. This is the direction of the electric field. Okay, this is the dipole. Minus q plus q, direction of the dipole moment. Direction of the dipole moment. Direction of electric field. Direction of electric field. ఒకసారి చూడండి, ఇక్కడ పాజిటివ్ చార్జ్ is moving in this direction, being pulled in that direction. Negative charge is being pulled in this direction. Negative charge is being pulled in this direction. Positive charge is being pulled in this direction. Now you see in the first case we have the line of action. If the line of action is not same, the turning effect is created. Here what happened? Line of action is same. See, from here to here it is along the same line. Line of action is same. So then what happened? No turning effect is created. So this is called an equilibrium state. This is what? Equilibrium state. So there is another condition on 80 degrees. What is this one? So we will see that one also. This is the direction of the electric field. This is the direction of the electric field. Okay, and this is the dipole. This is the dipole, and here is the negative charge. Here is the positive charge. Here is the negative charge and positive charge. The negative charge is being pulled in this direction. Positive charge is being pulled in this direction. So what happened? Negative charge and positive charge, both are acting in the same direction. Both forces are acting in the same direction. Okay, sorry, opposite direction along the same line. Opposite directions along the same line. Opposite directions along the same line. So here also it is equilibrium. But what is the difference between these two? What is the difference between these two? Here the field expands. Here the field will be reduced. మీ యొక్క ఫీల్డ్ డైరెక్షన్ అనేది ఈ డైరెక్షన్ లో ఉంటుంది. Increasing field direction will be that direction. And here one more thing. If I disturb this dipole here, if I disturb this dipole, this is the dipole here like this, negative charge. If I disturb it, కొంచెం దీన్ని ఇటు tilt చేశాను అనుకో. If I disturb it, then what happened? Again it comes to its first position. If I little tilt this direction, again it comes to its first position. కొద్దిగా ఇట్లా tilt చేయగానే మళ్ళీ ఫస్ట్ పొజిషన్ కి వచ్చేస్తుంది. మళ్ళీ కొద్దిగా tilt చేస్తే మళ్ళీ ఫస్ట్ పొజిషన్ కి వచ్చేస్తుంది. This is called as stable equilibrium. This is the stable equilibrium. Stable equilibrium. Stable equilibrium is that when the body is in equilibrium or body comes to its original position after a slight disturbance. After a slight disturbance, the body comes to its original position. That is called as the stable equilibrium. But here what happens? Imagine you tilted this one. So now what happened? Positive charge is pulled in that direction and negative charge is being pulled in this direction. What happened now? A turning effect is created. It will not come to its original position again. A turning effect will be created. So this is unstable equilibrium. Unstable equilibrium. So overall what we can conclude here? So the net force, what is the net force acting on dipole is 0. Net force is 0. But the line of action is not same. That's why torque is created. Torque is how much? Cross product of dipole moment and electric field. Will be the torque 0. Yes, the torque is 0. When it is 0, when theta is equals to 0 degrees or 180 degrees, torque is 0. Okay, now when it is 0 degrees, stable equilibrium. When it is 180 degrees, see this is minus negative charge to positive charge. Dipole moment is in this direction. Electric field is in this direction. Dipole moment our direction undi, electric field this direction undi. So both are in opposite direction. 180 degrees lo unnappudu unstable equilibrium, 0 degrees lo unnappudu stable equilibrium. Right? This is what happens when you are placing a dipole in an external electric field. Right? So next we are going to discuss another most important topic from this chapter. Right? Thank you very much.